For those who have not been capable of finding a trusted garage door installation or repair company, certainly consider calling Rise Garage Door Spring Cliffside Park, NJ. My business has been providing these services for the community for years, and will be more than pleased to assist you with your garage door issue. Whether you need a new garage door devote, or if you wish me to solve your garage door, I can supply you with both kinds of services. When you are able to fix your garage door today, consider contacting me by telephone or email. We'll surely bring out the best garage door you could ever had at an affordable prices.